This is a new project I started about 2 weeks ago. I decided that I needed to replace the dead boxwoods from the side garden, and I am gonna take out the rhododendron. I am going to replace all this with emerald green arborvitae. I want privacy. I want to sit on my porch and not have to look at the house next door or anybody. Um, I also want to look at something nice. This is a space that is being wasted over here. So I went to Home Depot in 2 occasions and I couldn't find the same size arborvitae. So I staggered them, one big, one small. But it's okay. I think it's not a bad look. I am actually gonna plant this invincible mini bed that I have in this planter in front of the garage. I'm gonna take those two plus another one I have in a container on the deck, and I'm gonna move them to the garden. I think they're gonna look amazing there with divided with Hakone areola or area. And since the garden is mostly shaded, it's in between two houses, the Hakone is gonna give some movement and light. As you can see, it's a really long but narrow space. It's about 6 feet wide between the cement and 20 feet long. So the arborvitaes are roughly 2.5 feet apart. I'm just afraid because now we are seeing deers, but let's see how that goes. I am really liking how this is shaping out. This rhododendron is gonna be gifted to somebody else because it grows too big for the space. So I planted these Hakone cloas. However, these little ones that were divided, I am gonna replace them with a full one that I purchased. I'm also gonna add cardboard to this space, and I'm gonna put mulch. That way, the grass does not come up in between the arborvitae and the plants. My side of the sidewalk needs to be redone because whoever did it wrong. It's sloping against the house. So we need to redo that, and I'm gonna make it wider. I wanna make it about a foot wider. That's the reason why I'm leaving some space in there. Once that is finished, then I could adjust this flower bed. But so far so good, right? Don't you think it's looking really beautiful with the plant choice? Over here I put some foxgloves for now, but then I decided to order the mini bed. Home Depot don't have it anymore, so I ordered it from Proven Winner, and they should be coming within a week or two. So this is how these plants are looking at the moment. This flower bed looks like amazing to me. It looks so much beautiful. When I look at it from the front or when I look at it from the porch, I am very happy. Anyways, this is what I wanted to show you. It was a really easy and it's actually a great improvement for my garden. That space that was not utilized now is looking prime. It took about a month to do it because when I started it, something happened in my life, and I didn't have the capacity to work on it. But I'm now back at it. I'm trying to take it a day at a time, and I'm very pleased with the look of this. And the invincible meaning of it is my favorite smooth hydrangea. I love it. I hope you like this video, and if you got inspired, please let me know. If you think I should add something or edit something, please also let me know. Thanks for watching, and I hope I'll see you next time.